Are you all dying? Really? Come here, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Stop. I'm sorry. I got to take off my dog. Now, if you see her, I want to watch this. I want to show you guys, but I feel the need not to. I don't feel comfortable showing you the dog. So, I'm just high. Let's see. So, that okay, fine. I'll show you the dog. So cute. Hey, Mama.
She drink the water?
Yeah. So, I'll be right back. Come on, Mama. Hey, Mama. Really? Diamond, you're so nosy. Come on. Come on, Diamond. Come on, Mama.
Stop squeaking it.
Get him, Mama. Get him, Mama. Watch what she's going to do. She might lay down. No, just walk away.
Hot toy. Well, how to squeak, not you.
Oh, who said it was? Got hold this.
Where you put her little leash finger?
Diamond. Come on, Diamond. Oh, you can do that. Okay. Really, Diamond? Diamond. Yeah, this is doing that. YouTube video. Diamond. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Come. Yeah, Mama. You can lay down. She does. Get this one to snack. That's all. She got attention. She runs around. And she lays it. No, you're gonna tell us this one. Ooh. Ah. Diamond. Press down.
If I step on your plate,